Sometimes the greatest treasures are just around the corner.
Golden light at Casa Vicki.
A short stroll from Casa Vicki leads you into a world where every brushstroke tells a story.
Windows open, time stands still.
Welcome to Murek, the Museum of Contemporary Spanish Realism, a place where tradition and emotion meet on canvas.
Let the sunset lead the way.
Walk among the paintings so vivid, so detailed, they seem ready to breathe, to move, to put you into their silent worlds.
Night falls soft and slow. Stay a little.
Murek honors the patience, the passion, and the timeless talent of Spain's greatest realist artists.
You'll return year after year.
Here, art doesn't just stay inside frames. It spills into the streets, the sun, and the spirit of Almería itself. From timeless canvases to timeless moments, all just steps from your stay. Stay at Casa Vicki and let Almería's art and soul be part of your journey.